Hey everybody, welcome back. So as you can see, I'm getting ready to head inside of my local Dollar Tree. Hopefully we can find some new stuff that we can look at. So let's go in, and I'm sure it's the same in every store. You see the Valentine's Day stuff first, so that's why I'm standing right here. Well, these cute little bouquets or paperweights, whatever you want to use it for, but those are cute. Look at the beads on them. That's cute. Let's see what else we can find. Pretty flowers. Oh, look at these. Those are cattails. That's cute. Oh, they got lots of the plush roses over here and more of the sequin pillows. Let's see, more cups and boxes. Oh, look. In one of my other videos, I saw these and I wasn't sure if they were coming or if I missed them. This one looks a lot better than the first one I saw, but there's a bunch of them now. So those are cute. Okay, I think I have spotted some more pictures and they say pop-up. In my last video I saw these, the spring and all of those that come with 3 on a pack. Okay, but I think I see some more new stickers, so let's look at these. Oh, these are cute. I like how the flowers look like they're in a newspaper or an envelope. That's cute. What else is back here? And you got these. Okay, I might have to get some of these. Those are really cute. Is there any more? Oh, some cactus. I'll be getting these for sure. And then I saw these first. So those are cute too. And I think that's all I see. Yeah, only 1 pack of these, so I'll definitely be getting those. So over here by the book section, I see this one and it kind of caught my attention. Chelsea Market Makers Recipe Tips and Techniques from the food hall. Let's see. That looks interesting. So you have that one by Michael Phillips, and then Fine Cooking and Roasting. And then what is that? Raw Cakes. 30 delicious, no-bake, vegan, sugar-free, gluten cakes. And Thanksgiving Table. Okay, you guys, as if I needed any more dang gone socks, would you look at here? Oh, you know I have to get these. Oh, my weakness. Okay, so this one says Frap Queen. Super cute. I saw these already with the sloths. This one says Donut Worry. The avocado that's working out. Super cute. Then I see these that looks like wine. Oh gosh, I need those. They're purple too. Then here's some with some ice creams, donuts, and cupcakes. And then these with the coffee cups on them. Okay, Dollar Tree just kills me when they bring out socks because I want to get them all. And you know I will definitely be getting some. And then look at what I just found. Some trinket trays. These are cute. They're like acrylic trays. This one says smiles are always in fashion. Then I see this one that says smile, and that reminds me of Instagram with the little camera. That's cute. Then I see hello, and they say trinket tray. And then I also see this one with the pineapple that says hello. And this one is more square. This one is kind of rectangle. So these are cute. Here's some LED dimmable lights. It says 40-watt replacement, and they look like that. And you know that's a good price for $1. So here's some MC Trader tender green asparagus spears. That's not too bad. 10.5 ounces. And I really like these red sweet pepper strips. Those are good. Oh, look what's back, you guys. The phone holders. Somebody opened one. So this is what it looks like. You put your phone in there and it holds your phone. And they have different colors. I see these two. Some audio cables. And two-tone colors. Those are cute. Okay, I think these are some new pictures because I don't remember seeing these. And it says wall art, but they are plastic. But they have like this groove in the middle of each word. So let's see. And then here's, that one was make it happen, enjoy the journey. Yeah, I've never seen these before. Farm to table. And like I said, these are plastic. Usually they're wood. Let's see, eggs, milk, and bacon. Our happy place. And the last one I see is focus on the good with a camera. And they just say wall art, but that's kind of different with them being plastic. I've never seen those like that. So over here by the food, you know how they usually carry these little singles to go? Look at these. I've never seen these. Zero sugar, Kool-Aid, on the go, sour, snapping green apple. Oh, I'm so tempted. I think I should get these just to try it. But I don't know about sour green apple water. And that is the only new flavor that I see. Yeah, that's the only new one. So I think I'm gonna try it. I'll get this one. I'll try that out. Okay, you guys know I like to end my video on the last row of the store. They still got those little towels right there. I showed those before, but thank you guys all for coming with me. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye, you guys.